Greetings, judges. I'm Shelley Waite Bay, founder and CEO of Waite SLTS. Our mission is to strengthen America's critical infrastructures by preparing the next generation of cybersecurity professionals through accessible, hands-on education. Waite4Seasons offers cybersecurity training to prepare youth for careers in critical infrastructures. Our nation cannot secure its critical infrastructures without investing in tomorrow's workforce. Unfortunately, many students, especially those on the autism spectrum, never receive the opportunity to discover their abilities. We have the solution. By offering cybersecurity training in 4 critical infrastructures: manufacturing, space, energy, and water. To test our solution, we've implemented Groundwork Cyber, a 9-week virtual-led cybersecurity program that provides everything needed to teach cybersecurity in schools, community organizations, homeschool programs, and after-school programs. The most exciting part isn't that we launched. It's that our students became our biggest advocates. Families saw the transformation and additional students enrolled simply because they believed in what they saw. Our pricing model removes barriers for families while creating a scalable business model that serves schools, nonprofits, and workforce organizations. As adoption grows, reoccurring licenses revenue grows with it. This opportunity is much larger than one classroom. We are building a repeatable model that communities across America can adopt. An investment of $20,000 accelerates everything we've already proven works and allows us to reach significantly more students across the country. Waite4Seasons is creating opportunities where they have never existed before. With your support, we can transform today's students into tomorrow's defenders of America's critical infrastructures. Thank you again. I'm Shelley Waite Bay, and thank you for allowing me to present to you our educational division's Waite4Seasons. Have a great day.